Hello students, we are going to discuss about types of inquiry. Engineering ethics combine inquiries into values, meaning and fact in order to find answers to many moral dilemmas. It is necessary to understand the types of inquiry. In engineering ethics, the three types of inquiry are normative inquiry, conceptual inquiry, and factual or descriptive inquiry. One by one we will discuss. First one, normative inquiry. Normative inquiries are useful to identify the values that guide the individual and groups in taking a decision. Normative inquiries are meant for identifying and establishing the morally desirable norms or standards that are used as guide to assess something as good or bad. Generally, normative questions are about what to be and what is good. Examples of normative questions: when and why the engineers have obligation to their employers, their client and the general public. Another example: when should the engineer attempt for whistle blowing? Next example: why must some engineering information kept confidential? One more example: what are the moral rights an engineer should possess in order to fulfill their professional obligation? Last example: how an engineer can protect the public safety in a given situation. These questions, it is clear that the goal of normative inquiries is justifying many moral judgment. Are you clear or not? Okay. Second one, conceptual inquiry. These inquiries are useful in clarifying the meaning of concept, principle and issues in engineering ethics or issues related to engineering ethics. What is the aim of conceptual inquiry? Aim of conceptual inquiry is to clarify the meaning of the key ideas and issues, possibly expressing by single word or by statement. Be clear. Examples of conceptual inquiry: what is safety? What is meant by risk? How safety is related to risk? What is a profession? What is a bride? When a gift becomes a bride? Are you clear? Okay. Third one, factual inquiry. This inquiry, also known as descriptive or exploratory inquiry. These inquiry are helpful to provide fact required for understanding and resolving value issues. Researchers and engineers use these inquiries to get various information such as history of engineering profession, effectiveness of professional society in promoting moral conduct. The procedure used in risk-benefit analysis and the psychological profiles of engineers. Be clear? Okay. So, through factual inquiries, provide on understanding of the background condition that generate moral problems. These factual inquiries are helpful in solving moral problems. How? By using alternative way of solution, another route or alternative ways. Factual inquiries are helpful in understanding the business, social and political realities in which the company operates. Be clear? Examples of factual inquiries. What is the validity period of a patented product? You have some idea. You go to register your idea in patent office. That is your patent. That is your iconic. What is the validity period of a patented product? What are the procedures used in making risk assessment? What are the laws enforced in the intellectual property rights law recently? In what way the code of ethics of engineering society inspire and guide the engineer's obligations? Be clear. Okay. Thank you for your attention.